dog. She loved her house. She loved smelling the flowers. She loved to tell her mom something. And she loved riding her bicycle. Every time. Then they loved it. Then she was upside the trees. Then she was upside. Then she was upside, up, down, Mr. Brown. Then they were playing in the rain. Then she was playing in the rain, and the little dog got wet. Then she made garden. Then she was at the beach and made her garden. And she wants to make vegetables so they can eat her. But the puppy was really bad dog. This was sweeping the floor so she can sweep it. She was sweeping every day. Then she loved it. Then there was lots of ones at school. There were dogs, cats, snakes, tadpoles, fish, flies, frogs, everything, even snakes. She lost her worm food. She lost her food worm. She lost it, but then they were having picnic there. They never knew they had a picnic, but Cinderella was lost. She couldn't find nobody. Then she picked out her perfect carrots. Then she wanted to eat her dinner. Then the puppy was pretending to be a chef. He was making lemonade for everybody. He was making lemonade for everybody to drink. For a tasty drink to drink. Then they were having picnic. He loved the picnic. He loved having picnic so much that Cinderella was angry. She didn't like her puppy. She didn't like her friend named Flower. She didn't like her new friend. Then they weren't friends. But then she was sleeping. She was sleeping in her room. She was sleeping in her room all by herself. And all the sheep were sleeping too. They were all the sheep. All the sheep. Then she was sleepy. She tried to sleep well. She almost thought she saw a frog. She was in her new one's flipper. She won't go swimming. Then she looked different before. Then his dad didn't know. But then she was pretending to be grown up. She wanted to be grown up every day. She tried to be grown up, but she lost all her things. She shouldn't carry all her things. It's hard to shouldn't carry all of them. It's hard because then Dad has to pick it up. And you have to be careful in the lake. Don't want to fall in, use your old things. It's hard to. Then we're trying to kiss each other. They don't know how. Then he was chasing bees. She was smelling the flowers. Then the bees were angry from stealing their honey. But then There's a nice beak on her nose. She liked her so much. Then George was trapped. And the police said not to pick all those rocks. Don't have time. And she dropped all her other things. So it's a curtain. Then they had a picnic. Then they tried to eat because they're a little hungry. She was going swimming. And they knew it. Then the dog would pretend to be a pirate. Then they'll go camping. They started to go camping, but the dog and the bunny were all friends. They started to be friends. Then they saw a cowboy. Then they're taking pictures. That's a good picture of me. That's a good picture of me. That's a good picture of me. I am on the picture wall. She was going to skateboard herself. She can't carry all her things. She wants to walk herself. Then she had to sleep with his sister keeps waking me up. Like, yell! Like this. Yeah! Shh. Then she can't do that. She can do nothing herself. And look. She's getting bigger. She didn't know that she can do it, but she can't. She doesn't know how to do that. Then she was going skateboarding, and she was skating on there. It was scary. Then we shouldn't put bandages all over the place. All over the place. As you can say, la 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 la. Just put bandages on your knees. Then they're playing. The ball. Till they hit the ball. But they didn't know how to do this. It was too hard to do upside down, Mr. Brown. Then they play soccer. Didn't know how to play soccer, but it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to do that. Then they're going swimming. They try to go swimming. It's so nice to go swimming. Then they're going swimming class. Then it's hard to play skiing. It's hard. Then she was on the tutu, but he was too busy eating some cookies to eat, cause her and his cat and dog and him, and his mom and dad, they were having a picnic together to pack his snack. Then they didn't know how to play basketball. They didn't know how to play basketball. It was too little. Didn't know how. Then they were riding bicycles together. Then he brought ice cream sundaes for yummy dessert to eat for breakfast. Then it was time for them to go to sleep. It was time for them to go to sleep now. The end.